If your hair has been stuck at the same length for years, this hair treatment is for you, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to prepare it.
Please, Lord, give me a sign. I want to be the greatest.
The first ingredient we will need is overripe avocado, banana, and some oils, which I used olive oil and coconut oil. These two are my favorite oils for my hair. And lastly, aloe vera. The first thing we are going to do is to scoop out our aloe vera gel, and to my surprise, these aloe vera plants had few gel in them, but I managed to get as much gel as possible. Since the gel wasn't a lot, I didn't blend it, but instead I just went in with a fork to get more gel out. At this point, I've extracted enough gel, and the next step is to strain it. To strain, I use a wig cap. You do not want to skip this step, otherwise you have aloe vera particles in your hair and it will be hard for you to get them out. And this is the amount of gel we got out of all those aloe vera leaves. You can use 1 or 2 avocados depending on the length of your hair. For me, I used 1 avocado. Avocado has the most amazing benefits for the hair. I'll be telling you all the amazing benefits I've experienced ever since I started using this later in the video. I added the banana, then 1 tablespoon of olive oil and coconut oil. I proceeded to blend it off camera, and now our avocado deep conditioning treatment is ready for application. For the application process, you have to start off with a freshly washed hair. You do not have to apply it while your hair is dirty with all those product buildups. Applying this treatment on a clean hair will help the treatment penetrate easily into the hair strands or hair follicles. I had already washed my hair and I didn't let it dry completely before applying it because it's better that way. For easy application, you have to apply the treatment in sections so that every hair strand will be coated with this treatment. One of the main benefits I've experienced with this treatment is that it contributed to about 90% of my hair growth. My hair got stuck at the same length for years, but after a month of using this treatment, I saw a lot of growth and my hair got thicker as well. Secondly, it made my hair so soft and manageable. I already have soft hair, but my hair became more soft and I noticed that my hair wasn't breaking off anyhow, and finally it strengthened my hair follicles, so I didn't experience excessive hair shedding. So that's all for the benefits I've experienced. After I'm done applying to the sections, I twist it up to get the hair out of my way and also to prevent it from touching my face. This is what was left, so I applied it onto my scalp, my edges, and at the ends of my hair. For deep penetration into the hair follicles, you will need some form of heat, but since I don't have a heat cap yet, I covered my hair with a plastic bag, then I go in with a shower cap, and lastly a scarf, cause I really want to trap in the heat. I left this treatment in for an hour, which is the maximum time you can leave it before washing it out. It felt so warm when I touched my hair, and guys, look at my hair. If you can't see anything, just look at the curl definition. One benefit I forgot to add is that it reduces hair frizz. So now I untwist it and it's time to wash the treatment out with a conditioner. This is a gentle reminder. Please don't wash it out with a shampoo. This is what we have after washing it, and I hope you try it. Leave all your questions in the comment section and do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next video.